For most of history, intelligence was our greatest advantage. But something fundamental has changed. For the first time in human history, intelligence itself is becoming cheap. Suddenly, the smartest human mind is no longer unique. So, if intelligence isn't rare anymore, what truly makes us a unique species in nature? Imagine this. A child spends years learning mathematics, physics, and philosophy, while a machine learns the same lessons in seconds. A machine that never sleeps, never forgets, never tires. Welcome back to Brain Igos, where we explore the hidden powers of the human mind and the deeper forces shaping our universe. Today we confront one of the most important questions of our time. If artificial intelligence can outperform human intelligence, what is our real value? And even more importantly, what is the next frontier of human potential? Because the future will not belong simply to the smartest people. It will belong to those who discover their new edge. For thousands of years, intelligence was humanity's crown. It separated us from the wild. Our ability to reason, plan, imagine, and create tools allowed a fragile species to dominate an entire planet. Intelligence built agriculture, science, medicine, technology, and eventually the digital world itself. But today, the crown is under siege. Machines can process enormous datasets, detect patterns invisible to the human eye, and learn from millions of examples almost instantly. One striking example is AlphaFold, an AI system that solved the protein folding problem. For decades, scientists struggled to understand how proteins fold into their complex structures. It was considered one of biology's greatest mysteries. Then, AI arrived, and what took humanity 50 years of research was solved in a matter of hours. Think about that for a moment. 50 years of human intelligence compressed into a few hours of machine learning. I remember sitting in a lab once, watching AI-generated music compositions. At first, I was amazed. The melodies were technically perfect. The harmonies were flawless. The structure followed every rule of composition. But after listening for a while, I noticed something strange. The music lacked soul. It sounded correct, but it didn't feel alive. It lacked the imperfections that come from human struggle, the subtle emotional fingerprints that come from living a life. And that's when I understood something important. The future will not belong to the most intelligent mind, because intelligence alone is no longer the edge. The real edge is human depth, experience, emotion, consciousness. For centuries, intelligence was scarce. Only a small number of people had access to education, knowledge, or scientific tools. Your ability to analyze, reason, and innovate could determine your place in society. Doctors, scientists, engineers, their value came from the rarity of their expertise. But AI changes the equation. Today, machines can analyze medical scans, play world-class chess, generate scientific hypotheses, and even write complex reports. Tasks that once required years of education can now be assisted or sometimes performed by intelligent systems. And the speed of learning is accelerating. AI doesn't just learn faster than humans, it learns exponentially. This raises a deeper philosophical question. If intelligence is no longer uniquely human, then what defines our existence? Are we simply biological information processors, organic computers made of neurons instead of silicon? Or is there something deeper about human consciousness that cannot be replicated? This question moves us beyond technology, into philosophy, and maybe even into spirituality. So, what can humans offer that machines cannot? Researchers and philosophers increasingly point to a different set of human capabilities: emotional depth, moral reasoning, empathy, intuition, and the ability to create meaning. Historian Yuval Noah Harari describes this as the emerging human advantage. Machines can calculate and predict, but they cannot experience life. They cannot feel awe while watching a sunset. They cannot feel grief when losing someone they love. They cannot experience the sense of purpose that drives humans to explore, create, and sacrifice. I once spoke with a scientist working on AI-assisted art generation. The AI could produce hundreds of beautiful images within seconds. Perfect compositions, perfect lighting, perfect proportions. But the images that truly moved people were the ones where the artist combined the AI output with her own memories and emotions, her childhood experiences, her personal struggles, her perspective on life, and suddenly the art felt alive. That is the uniquely human edge, not raw intelligence, but lived experience transformed into creation. So let me ask you something. What human quality do you believe AI will never truly replicate? Curiosity? Compassion? Creativity? Write your answer in the comments. Now Geo will guide us through something even more important. Because understanding the problem is only the beginning. The real question is, how do we develop our human edge in the age of artificial intelligence?